Hello and welcome to a super short little video featuring the first look at our Tamiya TT-01 race build out on track. In this episode, as mentioned in our video from the very first race day, we are now running a Tamiya Torque tuned motor that you saw us install in the last episode with a 26 turn pinion, and actually so are most of the other cars you can see out on track with us today. And we are also running with the little Absima twin fans on top of the motor to help keep it cool. Now if you take a look all the way back to episode 1 when we first started this build and unboxed our second hand Tamiya TT-01, we have come a long way with this chassis, and I'm so happy with how this has turned out. In fact, in the next episode we will be doing a full review of the build and importantly seeing how much we have paid basically from start to finish to get us up and running racing out on track, which should be really interesting to see. You can see our TT-01 out there on track with the Honda Civic body that we painted in one of the previous episodes, which has taken a real beating, but actually I'd say this is a seriously tough shell, although it may be a bit top heavy. And I've also found that for some reason the car is really tail happy. The back end just keeps wanting to kick out, which you'll see a lot of later on in this video. It may just be my driving, but I haven't noticed this with the TT-02. Or it may be that heavy amount of plastic on the roof and back end of the body shell that we mentioned in the spraying video, and that may be putting more weight towards the back end, which is making it want to kick and drift out. But it looks great from down at ground level. Mechanically, so far we have also had no issues whatsoever, and to be honest, there's really not that much that can go wrong with the Tamiya TT-01, which is why this is such a brilliant beginner's entry level series all the way up to the pros. Also, interestingly, in this video we have two different types of racing, and this is how the race days normally are run. So what you're seeing now are the qualifying laps. So for the qualifying laps, each car or driver is given a number, and as the number is called, you can go off the start line. And there will be a few seconds in between each number being called to give you a good space between you and the next car. Now the point of the qualifying laps is not to be racing the other drivers, but it is very easy to get involved in a little backwards and forwards racing. However, the goal of this qualifier is to get the fastest qualifying lap time, and this will determine what position you'll be in the final lap. And at about 5 minutes into this video you'll see the final lap, and we'll go through that then. As you can see from the dark patches on the track too, it was wet earlier, but luckily this track does seem to dry out really quickly and you can get the wet tyres off and back onto the slicks. And definitely watch out for some of the wet weather racing videos that we've already uploaded, because they are amazing and seriously action packed. Another thing you can note are the two grooves on either side of the checkered start finish line, and these, as we mentioned in the episode where we fitted our transponder, are the transponder receiver cable lines. So the cable for the receiver will run through these two grooves and pick up the signal transmitted by the transponder every time the car drives over the start finish line, and this is how the lap times are measured. You can also see on the very far right hand corner of the track we've got our lap display board, and that helps us keep an eye out on what lap we're on. And you can also hear two different toned beeps. Now the lower toned beep is when you've crossed the line and not improved on your last lap, and the higher toned beep is when you've crossed the line and improved on your last lap time. So that helps us see how we're doing in terms of lap times. And as mentioned, Here are the finals, and this is when we'll be trading paint and racing for position. As you can see, all the cars flew off the grid at the same time, and as you can see, we are dead last. But that's fine, because we start doing a lot better later on in the race series when we stop hitting the curbs so much and losing so much time in the corners. And I've got loads of excuses to come as to why we're never first, so do watch out for those. But that's it. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Keep an eye out for our brand new super website coming out this year. Please do rate, comment and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching and see you soon.
The running order at 2 minutes is 1, 3, 4, 2.
Oh man. Quick.
Don't go on your roof, the tires fall down.